The numbers of people on the streets have been gradually swelling since President Yoweri Museveni started to ease lockdown measures. While the city is starting to look like what it was before the pandemic, there are worries that the growing numbers will translate into community infections. The situation is complicated by what security personnel say is a total disregard for laid-down procedures aimed at keeping the pandemic in check.
Total disregard of social distance, failure to use masks in public, continued transportation of passengers by some border operators. Is this not abetting a crime or being an agent of our current enemy?
At their joint address earlier today, security personnel warned that COVID-19 will be here to stay if the current status quo is maintained.
In the midst of the pandemic, and any mistakes could easily lead us into a second wave of the COVID-19. We should therefore avoid any risky behaviors that could lead to a spike in new cases.
Section of high-profile public officials, including Prime Minister Dr. Uganda, are self-isolating after their close contacts tested positive. Kampala Capital City Authority's headquarters were sprayed with disinfectants during the weekend after 4 of its staff members tested positive for coronavirus. It is believed that commercial motorcyclists are looking to exploit the state of panic at City Hall by staging a protest against the continued restriction of their operation. The police says those harboring plans of staging protests should think again.
We've reinforced our teams, as you saw this morning. We had a number of checkpoints in place. Our intelligence is on the ground. We also have the investigative capabilities in place to ensure that we counter all forms of violent conduct during this period.
The cases of COVID-19 have surged to 646 since the first case was registered mid-March. Jackson Onyango, NTV.